Why your teenager is moody or grumpy? The burning question that parents of teens want answered. Hi everyone, welcome to Socialite Tanya. In today's video, I will be discussing about the rapid mood swings that the children have when they hit puberty. Parents often have questions about what is normal moody teen behavior and what is something that is more of a concern. A rule of thumb is that if the moodiness doesn't last long, it's probably normal. So if your teen has a bad night and is irritable but is good most of the week, it might be just temporary moodiness. Additionally, depression and other psychiatric disturbances have other signs other than just crankiness or moodiness. For example, teen depression may be accompanied by weight loss or weight gain, sleep disturbances, withdrawal from friends and family, or talk of suicide. Here are 5 ways for teens to improve their emotional self-regulation. When teens feel intense emotions, they sometimes try to push those feelings away. Riding the wave is a tool that helps teenagers become more comfortable with experiencing what's happening inside them instead of self-medicating with drugs or alcohol or distracting themselves with technology or entertainment. Meditation has been proven to have the following benefits. First, it reduces wandering mind, which is associated with unhappiness. Secondly, it increases empathy. Next, it improves concentration and attention. Lastly, it enhances areas of the brain associated with well-being, self-regulation, and learning. Exercise is a great way for teens to let off steam and focus on something other than their thoughts. Physical activity gets teenagers out of their heads and into their bodies. Consequently, it forces them to be in the present moment. Furthermore, physical activities create a sense of achievement that boosts teens' self-confidence. It may seem strange that getting more sleep improves the way teens feel when they are awake, but it's true. Teens feel more depressed when they don't get enough sleep. Here are some ways that parents can help teens to get to bed earlier and sleep better. Teens' use of technology often interferes with getting enough sleep. Turning off their computers and cell phones at a fixed time each night will help their brains can wind down and get ready for sleep. Sleeping till noon and then staying up late will throw off their schedule for the rest of the week. Light can interfere with the sleep cycle. Use blackout curtains to make sure daylight is not disturbing their sleep. Artistic expression is a powerful way for teens to release and manage emotions. Creativity induces a state of flow, the experience of being completely absorbed by an activity. Here are following benefits if your child is engaged in some or the other creative activity. Feeling happier, higher self-esteem, greater optimism, increased concentration skills, better coping skills, more time spent with friends. Parenting a teen can be a challenge, but incorporating some of these best practices into your interactions can make this phase of life less stressful. If you have found effective ways of dealing with teens and emotions, share your tips in the comment section. It would be really great if you smash a like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, bye bye. Stay calm, stay happy.